Hey everyone, welcome to another tour of my hotel room. I am at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City. This is my room card, and I'm actually staying at the North Tower, which it seems like all the rooms in the North Tower are suites. So I'm really excited about this tour. Let me show you around. Right over here, this is the door. And to the left, we've got the first bathroom. You'll see here that there are some products here that are from the Rock Spa, which is downstairs. But it's actually a pretty big bathroom, half bath, I should say. And then over here, we also have this full-length mirror, ready for when you're just about to go out. And then this is the parlor area where you've got the wet bar. Sorry, I don't know why. I'm still learning how to use this device, but there's the wet bar over there, mirror hanging on top, and the coffee setup is over here. Some water, ice bucket, and this cushiony, I don't know, I kind of like it though. Oops, I dropped the plastic bag. But yeah, so this is the wet bar. Down here there is a fridge, and then just underneath here you can see it's just, well, maybe you can't see it, but it's basically just extra storage space. Same thing over there. You've got the dining area right here, and then the lounge with a pretty big TV here. And then you have windows just that look out to the beach, and I'll show you that view in a moment. Over here, there's some space in the back of the couch, and I just want to show you what this room looks like from a different point of view, because for me, I think that this part of the room is definitely made for entertaining. I really can't believe how big this room is. You really can have a party here. I can see like catering on the tables and everything. Oh, and speaking of which, here's the dining room menu. It's actually pretty big. You can just chill on this couch. It's pretty cool. It's really nice. It's if I had my friends over here, I would totally enjoy this room with them. Only a few, I guess, because, social distancing. But, yeah, there's definitely a lot of space here. Here's a phone. Pretty cool looking. And then over here, just look at that. Very rock star-ish. It's kind of cool. And matching wallpaper. You've got the phone, some artwork over here, and from another standpoint, here's the parlor area. Over there is the closet area and the bathroom. So this is what it looks like. I'm glad that they put this out to show you what kind of cleaning protocols have taken place at this hotel. don't know if you can see it, but even the sheets have this guitar pattern on it, which I thought was really, really cool. Over here you have the desk area. TV. You've got a really cool looking alarm clock over here. TV is over here. Extra shelf. Oh, sorry, this is another refrigerator. And then extra jars and shelves, shelves. And then over here, full-length mirror and closet space. You'll see I've got my stuff already up here and down here. This is the safe, even though it's a little small, but that's where it is. And then over here, this is the bathroom, and this is a huge bathroom in my opinion. So you've got the bathtub and a shower, walk-in shower. You've got a vanity area over here. And then on the left, you've got the his and hers sinks. And then, what else? Bathtub. Walk-in shower. The product here, again, it's from the Rock Spa downstairs. And then you also have some amenities here. Another bathroom. As promised, let me show you the view. It's getting dark outside, so it may not be that great, but this is a view of it's the boardwalk in Atlantic City. You can see it out there, right on the beach. This is also part of the Hard Rock. I believe this is the South Tower. So yeah, so this is the tour of my hotel room. If you're ever in Atlantic City, check out the Hard Rock Cafe Hotel. Bye.